You know the feeling. The customer walks in, they're happy, you're happy, you serve them well, and then they leave. And you never see them again. Well, you're not alone. Local businesses like yours lose more customers than any other type of business. Why? Because most of you don't collect any customer information. And without knowing who your customers are or how to reach them, you can't encourage more repeat visits or sales. Big businesses, though, they've got expensive CRM systems and loyalty programs to keep their customers coming back and to pinch yours. But you don't have that kind of budget or the time. Well, now you don't need it. Introducing Poddle, the one-tap CRM built specifically for businesses like yours. Here's how it works. OneTap collects your customers' details and stores them securely in your own GDPR-compliant database. Now you can get to know your customers better and stay connected. Another tap gives them a rewards token so they keep coming back. And while you're busy running your business, Poddle does all the heavy lifting with automated marketing that keeps your customers engaged without you having to lift a finger. Send offers, reminders, and rewards automatically. Got a quiet day? Need to drive sales? Create a promotion and send it directly to your customers' phones and emails in seconds. They'll see it and they'll come straight back. Poddle. Keep your customers and make more money with just one tap. Ready to see how it works? Let's chat.